Good morning. This is Frank. Welcome to the Morning Quick Shot, brought to you by Trade Talkers and Ninja Pro Traders. It is Tuesday, June the 6th. It's about 6:15 Central Standard Time, and as usual, we're going to jump right in here, not waste anybody's time. Had opens here last night at 34.25, brief highs at the 35.25 area, and then mostly overnight last night, remaining below the 24-hour VWAP. Currently lows right around 29.50. And let's just look like we're going to have a little bit of pullback today, and we'll just continue to the downside. So we're breaking this low. Look for us to come down to this zone at 28.25 to 27 in this area. Look for it to come back up and test this high, or correction, this 29, 24, 29.50 right in here. And if we're going to continue down, look for it to just move right on down after retesting up here, pulling down about the 26, maybe retesting this zone right around 27, 27.50 area, and then look for the push down to the next zone. We're going to talk about more key numbers as we look at market profile, and we'll nail this in, all right? So as we push on down, again, we're going to push down about the 22 level, come back up and retest. All right, retest this 24 to 25 area. And then if we push down here, you can see here's where we get our big push down. We could come all the way down to 24.16, come back up with some kind of retest with the 24-hour VWAP, and then on down 24.10 down to 2400 for a test all the way down to this 2403 at worst case. So let's talk about the upside. If we're going to the upside here, if we get a bounce off the zone here, somewhere around 24, 28, or anywhere down here it decides to go. Okay, look for the small retracements as it inches down this morning before pre-market, and then we're going to move right back up, and it can hit this open at 34.25. Look for it to break it and the overnight high at the same time. It's got to push up into this area right around 38, even all the way up to yesterday's high of 39.25. Look for it to come back and probably retest in this area about 36.50. And if we are indeed going higher again today, look for it to push above this 40, 39.40 up into 42s and then pull back. All right. Now, higher numbers that exist up into here in the 24, 42, 46, and 50 area, of course, psychological area. So let's take a look at market profile. Let's nail this down just a little bit. On our 4-hour chart, as you can see yesterday, we pulled right back after reaching up here at this 40 area, pull right back down to the 29.50 area, right in here, just below, just after reaching the 141 extension. It's going to be just a momentary thing. We could push right back up, or we could continue on down. Looking at the bottom here at 22.50, let's just draw that line all the way over this morning so we can see it at the bottom of the zone, okay, or this fib. 127.2 at 24.22.59. Okay, right in this area could be the next down. A little bit of retest up into 25.26 area, and then push right in, right back down to 17. And that's where we consolidated for a while for a few days. Now, if we break this 17 down to 14, we could come on down, and we're down to 2407 and down into this 2400, 2403 area we talked about. Okay, to the upside, little bit different, still unknown territory, but we could bounce off of any one of these. We could do off this little move right here, pull up and come right back down, and be looking at just a 38-point retracement and move to the upside. Move up to 43.25 would be the first next move, and then also possibly up to the bottom of this. You can see it's the 161, 141 here at this move at the 50s. 65 on up here, but don't look for it today anytime soon. Okay, on a daily overall chart, just keep the big numbers in mind. We got numbers here at 50. We'll go ahead and draw our line in here. Got 44.7 right here. So if we look at this, we have pulled back to the 29.30 area. We could continue right on down, like we said, down to 25 on a daily time frame, down to this 15. So these daily time frames are going to be real key to hold. All right, use the 4-hour chart for the intermediate times. Still could pay off for big swing trades. Down in this 15 area was where we could probably get this push back up. Okay, coming off of this line right here and pushing back up. See, let's talk about where we can go after this. If we can get this push off at either this zone at 29, 25, or even down here, then we're going to push right back up for the double top up here at 24.40. After that, Maybe again a little bit more pullback, a little more consolidation before we head up to 47, and then possibly up to the 66 at higher numbers. So keep an eye on this, keep it on the bigger numbers, and keep yourself out of trouble. If you've got any questions, contact Frank at tracetalkers.com, and have a great day.